Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one is an animal. Two, correct. And number two, tell us. That's right. Let's begin. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer's horse is happy. Jennifer's horse is happy. Horse. A horse is a very big animal that you can ride. Now we can make a flashcard for horse. For pronunciation, one horse, two horses. Please make a flashcard like this. Write horse up here in the top left corner, H-O-R-S-E. Down here in the bottom left corner, A-N-I-M, 1. This means animal, level 1. And over here, the number 15 out of 33. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Horse. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. What is this movie about? What is this movie about? About. What is the story? Who are the characters? What do they do? Now we can make a flashcard for about. We also say, he will come here at about 9. This means at approximately 9. We have many ways to use this word, so please see your dictionary. Please make a card like this. Write about up here in the top left corner, ABOUT. Down here, GW1. This means grammar, word, level 1. And over here, the number 2 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you say the one on the top? And on the bottom, the two red things sound like ow. Bout. All together, about. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned an animal, 2 horses. Correct. And tell us about your life. Yes, we want to know everything. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is something you eat that's delicious but not good for you. Correct. Junk food. Number 2, I am. Oh my goodness, I am amazed. Yes, that's an adjective. Number 3, I didn't have room, but it's to make a difference. An idiom. As always, please write your language on the other side. How do you say horse in your language? All right. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.